Empirical formula and molecular formula. Empirical formula is a formula which represents the simplest whole number ratio of various atoms present in a compound. Molecular formula is a formula which shows the exact number of different types of atoms present in a compound. For example, glucose. Glucose has 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms and 6 oxygen atoms in a single molecule. Therefore, its molecular formula is C6H12O6. But its empirical formula is CH2O. This is obtained by finding the simplest ratio of exact number of atoms of various elements present in glucose. That is 6:12:6 is equal to 1:2:1. Hence, its empirical formula is C1H2O1, that is CH2O. For the compound hydrogen peroxide, which contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms per molecule, the molecular formula is H2O2. But its empirical formula is HO, since the simplest ratio between number of atoms of hydrogen and oxygen is 1:1. The empirical formula of a compound can be determined from the given mass percentages of various elements present in that compound. Molecular formula can further be obtained from the empirical formula if the molar mass of the compound is known. This can be illustrated by using an example. A compound contains 69.9% of iron and 30.1% of oxygen by mass. What is its empirical formula? See, the percentages given are 69.9 and 30.1 for the elements iron and oxygen. That means, if we consider 100 gram of the compound, there will be 69.9 gram of iron and 30.1 gram of oxygen. From this mass, we can find the number of moles of these elements. The number of moles of iron is equal to its mass divided by its molar mass. That is 69.9 divided by 56, which is equal to 1.248. Similarly, the number of moles of oxygen is equal to its mass divided by its molar mass. That is 30.1 divided by 16 equal to 1.88. So, these are the relative number of moles of iron and oxygen. The ratio between number of moles will be equal to the ratio between number of atoms. So, we are finding the simplest ratio between number of moles. For finding simplest molar ratio, these two values are divided by the smallest value, that is 1.248. That is 1.248 divided by 1.248 is equal to 1 for iron, and 1.88 divided by 1.248 equal to 1.5 for oxygen. This is made a whole number ratio by multiplying with smallest possible value, that is 2. For iron, it is 1 into 2 equal to 2, and for oxygen, it is equal to 1.5 into 2, which is equal to 3. That is, the simplest whole number ratio of number of atoms of iron and oxygen is 2:3. Therefore, the empirical formula is Fe2O3. The whole steps can be tabulated in this way. Elements, mass percentage, mass in 100 gram, number of moles, simplest ratio, and the whole number ratio. Example 2. A compound contains 92.18% carbon and 7.66% hydrogen. What is the empirical formula of the compound? As in the case of first example, let us tabulate their mass percentages. From the mass percentages, we can write the mass of carbon and hydrogen present in 100 gram of the compound as 92.18 gram and 7.66 gram respectively. Their number of moles are 92.18 divided by 12 for carbon, which is equal to 7.68. For hydrogen, the number of moles is equal to 7.66 divided by 1, which is equal to 7.66. So, the simple ratio of these is obtained by dividing both by 7.66, and that is almost equal to 1 for carbon and same value 1 for hydrogen. That is, the simplest ratio between number of moles of carbon and hydrogen atoms is 1:1, which is a whole number ratio. Hence, the empirical formula is C1H1 or CH. How can you find the molecular formula of the compound from the empirical formula? For that, molar mass of the compound should be given. There is a relation between empirical formula and molecular formula. That is, molecular formula is equal to molar mass divided by empirical formula mass into empirical formula. This can be explained by using the same example. Suppose the molecular mass of this given compound is 26U. Therefore, its molar mass is equal to 26 gram. What is the empirical formula mass of this compound? It is the mass corresponding to empirical formula. That is, a value obtained by adding masses of one carbon atom and one hydrogen atom, which is equal to 12 plus 1 equal to 13. Therefore, molecular formula is equal to 26 divided by 13 into CH, that is equal to 2 into CH, that is 2 times CH, that is C2H2 is the molecular formula of the compound.